Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a different chapati. This is egg cheese chapati. Children will love this, and also it makes for a great lunchbox recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. First let's make egg cheese chapati. In a bowl, add an egg, whisk it, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, a pinch of salt, little less than half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. You can use pizza seasoning or oregano. Cook chapati both sides for about a minute. Now add the beaten egg mixture on the chapati. Spread it well. Let it cook for about 30 seconds. Turn it over, cook again for 30 more seconds. Grate some cheese as per your liking. I am using cheddar cheese. Kids would love it, and this chapati has a lot of protein in it. It will keep them filling until the next meal. Kids special egg cheese chapati is ready. Wow. Let's make the second recipe, cheese chapati. Cook chapati on both sides for a minute. Add a tablespoon of Schezwan sauce. If it's not available, no worries. You can use sweet chili sauce. Spread it all over. Add some grated cheese. I have mixed both cheddar and Parmigiano. You can use any cheese which is at home. Sprinkle some mixed herbs. And some chili flakes. This is optional. Cover it for a minute or two for the cheese to melt. Our cheese chapati is ready. Cut the roll into small pieces so that it will be easy for the kids to take and eat. Simple and quick recipe. You can make this in just 10 minutes. If you cut into small pieces, it will be easy for you to pack and it will not take much space. Along with this, you can send some fresh fruits and veggies. It would be a great meal. Try this recipe and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.